Today I'm going to give you my fair dinkum review on the Kings Inflatable Kayak. Now, we're not affiliated with or sponsored by Kings in any way. Alright, let's start. Pros. Comes in a really large bag. It not only fits your kayak, you can fit your pump and your chairs in there, which is great. It is buoyant, actually very buoyant, which is fabulous, but it glides through the water really well. Gibbo and I were really impressed and we didn't expect that. So, another great bonus. Two important things, buoyancy and how it glides through the water. Oh, I would suggest getting the paddles that pull apart just for easy transport. I do have a con, it's the only con, but it is a big one. It wouldn't have changed my mind from purchasing the kayak, but when I was packing it away, I noticed that the middle chamber is actually separate from the kayak. So you've got to pull that out, drain the water out, wipe it all down, make sure it's completely dry before trying to shove it back in there and packing it away. And this is embarrassing. Is this a 2-in-1? I'm not going to stop the video. If this is a 2-in-1, which is funny because Gibbo mentioned about, I wonder how, if you could stand up in it and use it as a paddle board, and I said no, because the sides would get in the way of your paddle. Oh my god. I didn't see that written on the box or anything. I'm going to have to try that out. Now, if that's a fact, if this is a 2-in-1 and you've got a kayak and a paddle board, well, I give it 15 out of 10. I am so excited to test this out. But hit me up in the comments if you want to know if that's the actual fact. Who knows? And if you want to see the kayak in action, click the link below or go to our Mad Aussie Adventures YouTube site and check out episode 62.